Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for the TCF Bank account. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy the content. So first thing you need to do is open browser on your phone or on your desktop. Then enter the URL tcfbank.com. Once you do that, you'll be headed to this website and click on the login button at the top right. After that, click on Enroll button at the bottom left. So then you'll be headed to this page and click on Enroll Now button. So then in order to create your account, you'll have to enter some of your information. So enter your TCF Debit or ATM Card number, or if you do not have that number, click on I don't have a TCF Debit or ATM Card. So you'll have to enter your TCF account number instead. So enter that. Once you enter your account number, you'll then have to enter your date of birth. After you fill in those informations, you'll then be required to enter your social security number or tax ID number. After you fill in all the informations, click on next. So once you do that, you'll be required to enter some of your more informations in the further sections. So once you fill in all your informations, your TCF Bank account will be created. So there you have it. That's how you sign up for the TCF Bank. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on post notifications. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.